Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. These are the Bluetooth headphones from the company, or from the seller, Dshuzi Direct. I'm probably not saying that correctly, D-S-H-U-Z-I Direct. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in. What's the quality, what's the packaging like, etc. So hopefully you're going to be able to see this information on the box. These do take 2 hours to charge, but they last for about 6.5 hours on a full charge. So let's go ahead and get them open. They're sealed, so let me get my pocket knife. Now, because they're earphones, there's not a whole lot I can show you as far as what the sound quality is going to be like. But at least you can get an idea of what they look like, what the packaging is like. So here's the instruction manual. Troubleshooting tips. It's like several different manuals. User manual. And it looks like they give you a user manual in some different languages. Some earplugs, so that's kind of funny. They give you earplugs with your earphones. I'm assuming that's just a little gift they throw in. Standard Android USB charging cable. It's not a Type-C. A lot of the newer electronics are coming with Type-C cords. This is a regular, what I call Android charging cable. And then last but not least, the earphones themselves. So if you've never worn earphones like this, they are the most comfortable earphones I've got. Truth be told, my wife got a pair of these. Hers are the exact same thing except pink. And I've basically been using hers. And I decided to get a pair that was a little bit more manly in color. So I went with the blue ones. She can have her pink ones back. Pretty simple. Down here, it's going to be where your charging cable goes. Then you've got a couple buttons on here. One of them serves as your power button. The other one serves as your next button if you're listening to any music and you need to skip to the next song. Very easy to use, easy to connect to with your Bluetooth, and they weigh literally nothing. You can't even feel them on your ear or your head. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.